Innovation and public purpose are two phrases, two concepts which are very close to our heart here at the British Library. And this sequence of talks, tonight is the first, called Rethinking Public Value and Public Purpose in 21st Century Capitalism. So it's not an unambitious topic, but luckily there are no fewer than 11 talks to explore it. From many different angles, from voices across arts, architecture, design, and of course Mariana's discipline of economics.
What this seminar series is trying to do, this lecture series at the British Library, is to engage artists, city planners, economists. We even have the chief economist for Bernie Sanders coming to give a talk on public budgets, to really rethink this issue of purpose, because purpose is about directionality. It's not about leveling the playing field. It's perhaps about tilting it so we get a certain type of society, a certain type of economy. And so we are thrilled to be having this lecture series, and tonight, as Roly said, is the first one, and we are going to be quite general on purpose, because it's sort of, in some ways, seen as a menu of what's to come.